another classic fucking sad guy. That cool uncle you got, you know, the one who never got married, right? The one with the motorcycle. And you're looking at him, wow, he's so cool, he rides a motorcycle, he's not afraid to die. Yeah, because he died years ago. When whatever happened to him, happened to him. He comes over for the holidays. How long does he last seeing a loving family? He can't fucking handle it, he wants it, he doesn't know how to get it. Gonna hit the trail, and he rides away. You're like, wow, he's so cool. That's because you can't see the tears streaking down his face, conditioning his ponytail. As he rides off to fuck some sleeve tattooed, traumatized woman.